Worried about your slow PC or laptop? Go to Run and type MS configs. Select Boot, Advanced Options, and change number of process from 1 to 4. Apply and restart your PC. After restart, your computer will run much faster. Right-click on your PC and select Properties, then select About. In that, select Advanced System Settings. Then, Advance, and, in Advance, select Settings and leave only one tick as shown in video.
Don't skip this video.
Watch closely. Remove all the ticks, and press OK.
The magic has been done.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe Techmaster for more. Also convey your kind feedback about today's video.